Ready to unlock the ultra-wide world hidden within your iPhone's camera? First, let's check if your iPhone already has the 05X zoom. Open your camera app and look for the zoom options. Above the shutter button, you should see options like 1X and maybe 05X. If you see 05X, boom. You already have it. Tap it to instantly widen your perspective. If you don't see the 05X option, don't worry. Option 1 is trying a third-party camera app. Head to the App Store and search for camera apps that offer wider lens control. Apps like Moment or Halide often provide more advanced options, including emulating that 05X zoom. Download your selected application. Speaking of the App Store, another method is to search for wide-angle lens iPhone. You'll find various lens attachments that physically clip onto your iPhone, instantly giving you a super wide field of view. These can be a fun investment if you love taking wide shots. Install the application and follow all the steps for setup. These clip-on lens attachments may require some adjustment. Whether it's using a third-party app or clip-on lens, prepare for breathtaking panoramas and creative compositions you never thought possible with just your iPhone. Unleash those beautiful wide shots like this quick guide. Hit that like button, subscribe for more iPhone photography tips, and share your awesome 05X zoom photos in the comments below. Happy shooting!